Drawing a water lily can be a creative and enjoyable experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you draw a simple water lily. Start by drawing the lily pad. Draw a large, slightly rounded oval shape that will serve as the base of the water lily. This oval should be inclined slightly to one side, as lily pads often tilt on the water's surface. Draw an elongated, slightly curved shape at the center of the lily pad. This will be the raised center where the petals and stamens of the flower emerge. Draw a series of petals around the center. Water lily petals are typically smooth and gently rounded. You can draw 3 to 4 petals overlapping each other, creating a circular pattern. Add some details to the petals by drawing gentle curves or lines along the edges. These details can represent the natural folds and contours of the petals. Inside the center of the flower, draw several stamens. Stamens are the slender, thread-like structures that hold the pollen. Draw these lines radiating from the center. From the base of the lily pad, draw a long, slender stem extending downward into the water. The stem should be slightly wavy to give it a natural look. Draw a few large, heart-shaped leaves emerging from the stem. Water lily leaves are often glossy and have a distinct notch at the base. You can draw them with slightly wavy edges to make them look realistic. Add some veins to the leaves by drawing curved lines that radiate from the central vein. These veins can add depth and texture to the leaves. Thank you.